Naya Kiana, Ronald Rebena really hates you because you are a bully. You are manipulative, Shania Kiana. Do not blame anyone. Because I know Ronald Rebena is a close friend with J. Rick Silva. Oh, why you're not being yourself? You're kingful. Because of your attitude. You know, Shania Kiana, everyone hates you. Alright? Do not blame anyone. Because me, for example, me and J. Rick Silva, we are angry at you because of your daughter Lily. Oh. Do you know when I told by J. Rick Silva, he said to me, what is that word? Nag-aaway kami ni Christy Mix at nangingialam pala to si Shania Kiana. You know Shania Kiana, who's the real bully? Who's the real manipulative? You. You should not blame anyone. Oh. For just example, oh, me and Teacher May Tibor show, we are enemies. Even Jima Casandil, that's an enemy of Joseph Maspinas. And then you, Shania Kiana, you're just making yourself an intervene. You're intervening our fights. That me and Joseph Maspinas, that we defeated Teacher May Tibor show, we defeated the, who is it? G. Macasandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez, who curses me a bad word. Eh, you're the one who's manipulative. Shania Kiana, you know, 2024. Last 2024. Me and Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, we are enemies. And even Arbatera, Victor Martin Soriano. Oh, when Victor Martin Soriano, Harbatera, and we just reconcile each other, even Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, oh, thanks to Felix Sabines that we reconcile each other, we are not enemies each other, oh, just because of the bias of TVJ, of Itbulaga. You know, Shania Kiana, you always intervening our problems. You are a bully. Oh, just like J. Rick Silva said to me, sino bang kontrabida? Like I said, it was you. Oh, you are the problem, Shania Kiana. You are a manipulative. This is really why that Patrick Quezon really hates you. I've been talk with Jaredino, or I chat with Jaredino in Messenger. You are a manipulative. Oh. And you're opposing the Halloween last year. Oh. I chat Ate Dina. I said, Ate Dina, is that okay to celebrate Halloween in CDIFI? She said to me, yes, it's okay to celebrate. Oh. But this imbasalt, Shania Kiana, is opposing. Why you not say that to those kids are opposing Halloween? Ha? Shania Kiana. Oh. Even Teacher Jessa Fernandez. Oh, if you oppose Halloween at Teacher Jessa Fernandez, Sir Calvin Cuevas will kick your ass. He will beaten you, Shania Kiana. Oh. Don't you realize that Halloween, it's okay to celebrate for everyone? Oh. Except to the Muslims, except to the other religion. Oh. In Malaysia, Indonesia, they ban Halloween. Oh. They don't celebrate Halloween. Some kids here in the Philippines, they celebrate Halloween even in the US. Oh. Even in Japan, they celebrate Halloween. In Germany, the place of Nanay Ningning, they celebrate Halloween. You're the one who oppose Halloween, and you're saying about you're a born-again Christian. Shania Kiana, you don't have really how to respect those people who celebrating Halloween. I just asked to Ate Dina Guillermo and Ate Rona, even Ate Mel, don't listen to that asshole Shania Kiana because she is manipulative. She is manipulative. What if I say to you, Shania Kiana, if you oppose those kids in Cainta Rizal, the place of Teacher May, they will beaten you, Shania Kiana. If those kids, for example, if the neighbor of Teacher May who was wearing costume in Halloween, if you oppose them, if you oppose at Teacher May, Tiburcio, she was a retired teacher in CDIFI. She's giving candies, and chocolates for the Halloween party. You should not oppose Halloween, Shania Kiana. You are manipulative eh. Is this teachings of born-again Christian? Manipulative? As I'm a Shia Islam and as I'm a former Jewish Christianity, I'm not really such as manipulative. You are manipulative, Shania Kiana. You're intervening everyone's problem. Even J. Rick Silva's girlfriend, you bully at her. You're just like similar me that I bully Teacher Kel's boyfriend, Eskel Penumbra. You are the one who's a problem. At the time, when I scolded Dan Mardaya and Eskel Penumbra not to talk about political lies, do not join with the Marcos loyalists. You comment about the problem. You know, Shania Kiana, you're not a supporter of Sara Duterte. You're a supporter of Bangag. Your family members are Marcos loyalists. Shania Kiana. This is really a problem because your attitude, you're always like that. You're opposing Halloween. You're giving us lots of problems. Me and Jerick Silva, even Joseph Maspinas, even his live-in partner, that was his girlfriend. Everyone hates you, Shania Kiana. Ronald Rebena hates you as well. You know, Shania Kiana, why those ILCC teachers are scolded at you? Because your attitude always like that. Even Manuel Luis Antonio had criticizes you. Why does Shania Kiana is always like that? If you know, she's tried to oppose Halloween. I was chat from Manuel Luis Antonio and he asked me, why does Shania Kiana is opposing at Halloween? Because she's manipulative. Everyone can celebrate Halloween. You are manipulative. Everyone can celebrate Halloween. What if I say to you, Shania Kiana, if you try to manipulate all the candidates of Miss Earth 2026, that they were wearing Halloween costume, last year, Shania Kiana, that you manipulate the candidates of Miss Earth 2025 just because of wearing Halloween costume. Even Joy Barcoma, even Waring Nangkram, that my good friend, that you are manipulating at them, even Even the other candidates, you manipulating them. Shania Kiana. Why everyone are manipulating them? Oh, you know, Shania Kiana, you're a manipulator. You manipulating all the people are wearing Halloween costume. Oh, you're manipulating last year. Some of Miss Earth 2025 candidates, they're wearing Halloween costume. You're a manipulator. Oh, and then you're manipulating those CDIFI students that wearing Halloween costume. It's not really good to celebrate Halloween party. You are manipulator. Shania Kiana. Even I put you in my enemy list together with Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sedjo, Jeffrey Sedjo, Gima Casandil, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Teacher Evelyn Caja. Oh, I put you in my enemy list. Even Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, I put you in the enemy list. Shania Kiana. You're opposing of Halloween. What if you try that to say that to Teacher Marisa? If you manipulate the Halloween. Oh, Shania Kiana. You don't give us really how to ashamed of yourself. Oh, for example, you manipulate the candidates of Miss Earth 2025 that they are wearing Halloween costume. You are manipulative. You're against the Halloween and you're saying about Halloween is not the teachings of Christians. Halloween has lots of teachings. You know, in Islamic cemetery. Oh, I was told by Kuya Dan Mardayaw. Oh, they have culture in Islam. They can celebrate Halloween, but they want to see their loved ones, even their soul or the dead loved ones. Oh, that's All Souls Day. When you see all those people who were visiting to the dead of loved ones. Or the word All Saints Day. Oh, it's a particularly part of Halloween. Oh, in the other countries can celebrate Halloween. Oh, in Indonesia, they celebrate Halloween if they're Islam. They visited the Islamic cemetery to see the loved ones. Oh, even Malaysia as well. They can celebrate Halloween if they're Islam. They visited the loved ones, even the souls. Oh, the lost souls of the loved ones. Oh, look at in Iran. They celebrate Halloween. If they are Shia Muslim, they see all the people who see their loved ones. Oh, they always see their loved ones from the soul. That is a traditional of culture of Shia Islam. Oh, but here in Philippines, we always celebrate Halloween to see the loved ones of the soul. Even for Christians, Islam, and many more, all the religions can celebrate Halloween. Oh, Halloween is not to be opposed. Shania Kiana. Oh, be respect. You don't know how to respect Halloween. Shania Kiana. If I were you, Shania Kiana, I'll put you in my enemy list. Together with Mark Cruz, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sedjo, Jeffrey Sedjo, Teacher May Tiburcio, and Teacher Evelyn Caja, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Oh, I'll put you in my enemy list. Shania Kiana. You are manipulative just because of Lily. What if you say that in outside in Caloocan? If you manipulate the Halloween. Oh. If I ask something, I ask my arch rival and my arch enemy, Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher May Tiburcio, if you're watching this, make sure if Shania Kiana manipulate all the Halloween celebration, even costume, remember, don't give her the pathetic candy to her. Halloween, I say to you, Shania Kiana, it can celebrate for everyone. Every October can celebrate Halloween. John Almonte, he likes Halloween. Do you remember John Mendoza? One of my friend from CDIFI, he was a cerebral palsy. Just like Paula Nunez and Lawrence Villawan. And there was Kuya Julio. He celebrate Halloween. Unlike you, Shania Kiana, you are manipulative. You're opposing at Halloween. What if you manipulate Dan Mardayaw? If he wear a Saudi costume in Halloween. Aircon? Is that there. As for me, Halloween, it can celebrate for everyone, not to oppose. You understand, Shania Kiana? If I make me angry, you're manipulating Halloween.